So in a few minutes we'll be docking the port of Guimaras. We're the last car to board and the first one to take off. The fare is 500 pesos. We're taking yung Marina Ferries, 500 pesos. Tapos yung standard na Arrastre, 129 pesos. So you pay this. Pagpasok mo, maraming mga tao na nangongolekta. Ano yung tip mo kuya for mga travelers?
Oh, ano yung tip mo?
One tip is bring mga ganito, mga coins, mga small bills for giving of tips. Kasi importante yan, for the guards, the porters, kasi they're mostly probably underpaid, so one way to compensate their services. So mga volunteer work yan siya kuya andyan so anytime we'll be yan, pababa na tayo. We're going down slowly. Ang bilis, no? Tama nga.
15 minutes?
Yeah, in 15 minutes talaga. We're maneuvering.
Okay. Because of like what's the like?
Again, the fare is 500 for vehicles. Kasama na tayong passenger siguro, no? Wala na tayong siningil sa passengers.
Vehicles na.
Kung wala kang vehicle, you pay siguro. Ganyan na, maneuvering na tayo for yung docking position.